Hi everybody, it's Wendy from Wenway Creations. How's everyone doing today? I'm coming to you today to do a video on Anna from Pink Monarch Prints, her Super Simples number 10. And yep, so I thought I'd show you how to do it. This is a prototype I've made. I've got to fold out one, put that on your page in your junk journal, make it into a pocket and that can slip in between. It's got a pocket here with a tag. It's got a pocket here with a open book, and then this folds down and it's got a little pocket here, little writing spot, another little pocket here. So let's make it. Okay. So first up you need this piece, and I'm missing a piece. Where am I missing a piece? I'm missing a piece. There it is. Okay. So I'm using saltwater taffy to ink. I'm sorry, I apologise for not inking in advance. Not very well organised today. Okay. Come on, glue. Here it comes. Didn't squeeze it hard enough. Thin bead of glue down the side. Along the bottom. And up the other side. Wasn't very straight. Centre that. Please leave a comment on my video. Let me know what you think of it. No one's leaving comments. It makes it really hard. Okay, so this one is next. Because it helps if it's cut straight, doesn't it? Had some rain last night. Gosh, it was nice. Water the garden. Things spread out here all over the place. I've really enjoyed doing these, and Anna is now doing a Halloween one. If you go to Pink Monarch Prints on YouTube, you'll find Anna's you'll find her Etsy shop where you can purchase these kits. So just go to Pink Monarch Prints and you'll find it. Now this goes in there, which is great, journaling space. Okay, so now we have to do this bit. Where's my bone folder? better if you do this on plain paper, because I did mine on cardboard and it's a bit bulky. As you can see, I haven't a spot of bother with it. Anyway, so this gets glued together. Yeah, as I was saying, go to Pink Monarch Prints website and you'll find Anna's Etsy shop and all of the 10 super simple kits are on there. Okay, where's my rounder? Just want to round the bottoms of these. First pocket at the top. I glue mine on. So now you can make this another pocket if you so choose. That'd be another idea. I need to fill my glue up. Okay. Something in this one. Now, on the back, we get to put this one on. because I turned it over. This one is meant to go there, and this one is meant to go there. But anyway, doesn't matter. Just going back to this one. And you can decorate it however you want. Whatever suits your fancy. You don't have to use all the... Put a bit of lace on. That'd be nice. That was meant to be a pocket. There you go. I mean, you can close these, glue them shut, but I like to leave them open because it gives you more writing spots. Okay. Yeah, I've really enjoyed making all of these. I am going to do the videos on the other 2, 4, 5 that I haven't done yet. I've got them already printed up. I'm just got to cut them out and then I'll make some more videos. So let's put this on there. So that's how I mucked up. just going to put that one on there, on the front of that. And where am I going to put this? Stick this in one of the pockets. Put in that one. Yep. Go in. Come up. That's the way. And you put a paper clip there, or a Velcro dot would be the thing, because I haven't got that pocket there. So I'll just put a little Velcro dot. Gosh, I'm clever. I've glued it to the wrong side. There we go. Easy fixed. Oh, that was a very rushed nap. The only thing I've got left over is the butterfly. You could put him up there, but I don't really like the butterfly, so I'm not going to put it on. Score that down. So there's your... I haven't got one. So here's your journal page. Put those, glue this down on those three sides, or we can have in that side, and slide these in at the side. But Anna did this top one, this one here, as a pocket, and that one went in the pocket with that at the top, or that actually went on there. So however you want to do it. So that's my take on Anna's super simple number 10. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and leave a comment for me. Let me know what you think. And as I said, I'll do those other videos of the other ones for you, and get them up as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. Bye.